Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Apple just dropped the brand new iPhone 17 lineup, including the iPhone 17, iPhone Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and Pro Max. I'm breaking down the key features, differences, and prices so you can see which one's right for you. Let's jump in. The base iPhone 17 now feels much more pro. It's got a 6.3-inch OLED Super Retina display with 120Hz ProMotion, always on, and up to 3000 nits of brightness. Inside, it's powered by the new A19 chip with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage as the starting point. Camera's got a big upgrade, dual 48-megapixel lenses, main and ultra wide with sharper low light shots and improved zoom. Price starts at $799. The all-new iPhone Air is so impossibly thin and light that it nearly disappears in your hand. At 5.6 millimeters and weighing just 165 grams, it's the thinnest iPhone ever, even with a large immersive 6.5-inch display and the power of the 1819 Pro chip. But it's an eSIM-only device, so be aware of that. Pricing starts at $999. The Pro is where things really level up. You get the most powerful A19 Pro chip. The Pro versions come with a new design, heat-forged aluminum unibody design for exceptional Pro capability. Storage goes higher with options up to 1 terabyte, and the cameras get a boost with better telephoto zoom. The pricing starts at $1,099. Finally, the Pro Max, the biggest and most powerful iPhone yet. It packs a massive display, up to 2 terabyte storage, and the ultimate Pro camera system, all 48 megapixel fusion rear cameras, and the longest zoom ever on an iPhone. New center stage front camera in all models. Flexible ways to frame your shot, smarter group selfies, and so much more. If you want the ultimate iPhone experience, this is the one, but it'll cost you starting at $1,199. So that's the iPhone 17 family. The standard 17 with big upgrades, the lightweight Air, the performance-focused Pro, and the all-out Pro Max. Apple definitely made this lineup more exciting, especially since even the base 17 now feels premium. Which one would you go for, 17, Air, Pro, or Pro Max? Drop your choice in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech breakdowns.